Dang, I'm gonna have to shovel.
Oh, you didn't need anything out to put in the house in the back? Forgot we went to the store.
Our groceries are still back there.
Our groceries are still in the bag. I said, you didn't need to take anything that needed to be taken in?
Nah, I can wait.
It's cold enough. Nothing will ruin. I should have went in, plugged in the light.
Ooh! Damn.
That one has his light on. Barely see his light.
Damn. Barely see. Oh, shoot. The lens got covered. Hold on. Oh, my God. It's so white out. And the boulevard. White out. Oh my God. I barely see the people. Traffic. I barely see the Circle K sign.
I stop at Interstate.
No going on me.
When I was going to start going again, I was spinning in the gray van. Yep. Way earlier, around close to 3. I go, dang, I was by myself here. Dang, I thought.
Gotta wipe the lens again. There's a few people out.
Yeah.
Too bad I can't get my window open. Get snowed in. Can't even see Lowe's, I bet.
Yeah, barely.
Barely see people still buying groceries.
Yeah, those guys got their emergency on.
What are we eating for supper?
I don't know. Got pizza. Tacos. I can make tacos. Got hamburger and taco shells. Oh, somebody walking, look. People, let's zoom in on him. Oh my God. The hell is that walking?
He's on his white in the back. I guess we have to go to Lowe's.
Something.
Man, these ones don't even have lights
There's
on.
no lights or nothing on this car. This guy's freaking out in front of us. He's got his blinkers on.
Yeah. I guess you can see it better. You can see his flashers on better than anything.
Oh, got blurry.
Can't see him no more.
No, he disappeared.
He disappeared.
I just can zoom in on him. He's gone. Oh, there's some lights there. There you go. Yeah, I see y'all coming. Oof.
There it is.
can't even open our window. We get blown in with snow. Damn. It's too white out. You can't see nothing. Uh-oh. Your phone. Your phone, Ma. Hello? Ooh, you get him in. Yeah. Oh, my God.
Look.
Freaking out here. Oh shit. No, Cumberland's got snowed out.
We're taking pictures of the blizzard. Pictures of the blizzard.
We're videotaping.
Video camera.
And our camera got fogged up.
What did you say? Wellborn? No, we're not over there, Wellborn. What's going on at Wellborn? Your medicine? Oh. Okay, if we're out that way, we'll get it.
Slippery, huh?
Oh, it got snow drift.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can't even see it, huh?
Yeah.
There's a turnoff right here.
Right here.
Where are we at?
We're at the turnoff here. We can't see.
We're at the turnout.
Well, there's a track. There's a track there.
Right there, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do you it.
There's a track right here.
They're in the town, huh?
Whoa. Hiding.
Who is that?
Alnisha.
Oh, where's she calling from?
710 or something.
710. Wow. What happened to my lens got fogged again. Crap.
Is it possible to have the heater burn on the floor?
Yeah.
The beach kind of cold. If you can't, it's alright.
Damn, look at that. This is a total blackout.
Oof,
man.
it's white out. Golly.
Yeah, whiteout, not blackout.
Oof! Snow blew right back in my face. Oh my God. What the hell? That's what I get.
Session 49. I don't care what kind of vehicle you have, you're supposed to go slow.
My camera got water on it again. Damn. Look at that. Oh my God. It is blowing. Can't really tell on this video, but you can see it. Oh my God. Woo! Woof! Snow blew right back at me again. Is it because Mom's playing with the windows?
She's playing with the windows. The snow's blown around up here.
Right back in my face.
Okay, I won't open it anymore. It's probably the one
Is that me?
Yeah.
The opposite
Right here.
behind every.
working. I have no idea what that one was.
Oh, we don't know if Wellborn's open.
I don't even know either.
Go by there?
Yeah.
You know what?
I guess you can do this thing
I don't
off,
know if they're closed.
I think it's closed. I don't think it'll be open.
Oh, that wind's strong. That wind is terrible. I sure them try and see if the pharmacy's open.
Oh, shit. Those guys put chain on their ride.
Oh yeah, they do. They got
yeah.
tire chains
They
on.
got tire chain on there.
Damn. Look at that wind. I would close my window now. Turn this off.